2025 has already seen exciting releases from New Balance's most celebrated collaborators, including Salehe Bembury, Bronson, KITH, and Aime Leon Dore. While each of these names is expected to remain prominent throughout the year, Freshgoods is already making waves with his second release. Introduced via his new retail venture, Every Now and Then, the New Balance Fresh Foam RCVRY marks his first drop of the year. This recovery slide offers a more minimal canvas than JFG's usual silhouettes, but the label's signature green ensures it stands out. Dark green EVA foam pods add visual contrast and comfort beneath the foot. The announcement follows a social teaser showing JFG at New Balance's headquarters, hinting at future releases. Among the previews were a New Balance 992 from the Aged Well collection and a mysterious cleated performance model, both sparking curiosity about what's to come.